In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Notion. To get started, open the Notion page where you want your calendar to live. This could be a brand new page that you're setting up for planning or an existing workspace where you already keep notes, projects, or task lists. The main idea is to place the calendar where it will be the most useful in your day-to-day workflow, so it's easy to check and update. Once you're on the right page, type/calendar. This brings up Notion's calendar options and is the fastest way to insert the layout you need. When the menu appears, choose either Calendar Database or Calendar View. If you're starting from scratch and want a full calendar setup, the Calendar Database option is usually the better choice. If you already have a database and simply want to see it displayed on a calendar, then Calendar View is the right option. This choice depends on whether you're building something new or organizing information you already have. After that, make sure your database includes a date property. This is what allows Notion to place items on the calendar correctly. If your database doesn't already have one, add a date property before moving on. Without it, your tasks or events won't appear in the calendar the way you expect. The date field acts as the anchor for every item, so this step is essential for the calendar to function properly. Now you can start adding tasks, events, or deadlines directly into the calendar. Think about the types of items you want to track. You might use it for work assignments, meeting dates, content planning, study deadlines, or personal reminders. Adding entries directly to the correct date makes your schedule easier to understand at a glance and helps turn a simple list into a visual plan. As you create items, click on each one to add more details. This is where Notion becomes especially helpful. Inside each calendar entry, you can expand beyond just a title and include the information you need to stay organized. For example, you can add notes, status updates, links, or supporting details so each item becomes more actionable and easier to manage later. Once everything is in place, use the calendar to manage your schedule inside Notion. Check it regularly, keep your dates updated, and use it as a central place to stay on top of upcoming responsibilities. Over time, this can make your planning process much more streamlined since your tasks, deadlines, and events all live in one organized view. With just a few quick steps, you can turn any Notion page into a practical calendar for daily planning.